Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we're gonna talk about really good scholarship. It's a fully funded scholarship in Lobachevsky University. It's a Russian university and it will covers all the tuition fees, and if you studied a pre-university program it will also cover it. And after studying this pre-university program, which will be the Russian language, after that you can start your program. Also, they provide discounted accommodation fee and they will give you monthly payment to support. Also, they will accept more than 250 students from around the world. As we can see, it's mentioned on the official website, and in addition to another 15 in another dormitories, because they have multiple dormitories. So 250 in the main dormitory or campus and 15 in the other one. So what this university provide? This university provide degree programs in Russian, also degree programs in English if you have an English test, so it will be good for you, and also short-term study if you wish to study only from 1 to 10 months, and summer schools. So if you want to study and the degree taught in Russian, as we mentioned earlier, the tuition fees for the pre-university programs are already included. So don't worry about it. So this is a good place to start your studies abroad. So about the Russian, you must have at least B2, upper intermediate, and the English for the English is the same, so B2. The short-term study will be in Russian or English, but for the summer schools they have different opportunities only in summer. But the main scholarship now we are talking about are just the degree program, full degree programs. And the online registration is free. They will start September 1st and till 31 of January. So we still have more time to apply. Now to check the degree programs in Russian, they have lots of degrees. As you can see here, they provide bachelor degree and they provide special degrees, and for example they have degrees in information, in mathematics, computer science, as you can see, and as you can see they provide also, you can study law in Russian, also bachelor degree, different study programs, philosophy or journalism. You can study journalism, and you can study social science, also international relations. So there are lots of programs, so you can find your passion in here. And here we can see also they also provide master degree, so it's not just for bachelor but also for master degree. And you can see here master degree in physics, master degree in information technology. So this is was for the programs in Russian. Now to check programs in English, they have less programs, but at least they have for bachelor and master and also PhD. So you can see they have different, and also they have specialist degree. It's for medicine and dentistry. And the PhD, they have 1, 2, 3, 4 PhD and more master and bachelor. So it's almost 4 degree for each one and 2 specialist degrees. They have in biology, management, relations, international relations, and sociology. And you can find here all the details that you want about this study program. And of course, here they provide the fees, but don't worry about it because the scholarship will, as we see for general medicine, it's 410,000. Don't worry about it. It's all covered by the scholarship. So this is for the programs in English. Now we're gonna check the short-term study programs also. For those, they provide bachelor program, specialist program, and master. There are no programs for PhD students, so it's okay. Here you can apply for it, and it will they cover the same as we mentioned earlier. And the deadline here is different from the previous one. So you have to be careful also if you want to apply for it. Now let's go and check how to apply. So how to apply, we're gonna start. There is the first stage is the online registration. As we mentioned, it's free. So we sign up, we upload our photo and personal information. Then we fill the application form. So we have to choose our study program, and then we upload all the copies of our documents. We need to be careful that we need to print the application form and sign it. And you have to write down the date, then scan it, and after that you can upload it. So don't forget about this application form. Also, you have to check also the contest selection, checking everything so you don't forget any of those. So after uploading those documents, the selection board will decide which one to accept and which one not to accept to go to the next stage. And those selection board are representative from the embassy and the local Ministry of Education and also the Russian University. So they will evaluate your academic performance, scientific impact, achievements in sport, cultural, social, and professional activities. So, in addition to that, there will be an interview or test. So, it's depending on the major that you choose, and they will if you pass, you will go to the next stage. So the application will be sent now automatically, so you don't worry about it. Automatically it will be sent to the university and they will give you the final approval. So the final one will be from the university. All the candidates approved, they will be contacted. And if you have any questions about it, and you can contact and ask down there. They provide an email. So to be they have mandatory documents and optional documents. So we have to scan your international passport. It's written international because in Russia they have two type of passports, international and national. They use the national one inside Russia. So that's why they mentioned international. So it's the normal passport for you. So you upload a scanned copy of your passport, but you need to be careful. They need the certified translation into Russian, all the pages that contain your information. So also all your documents must be translated into Russian with a certified translator. So previous education, the academic transcript, everything you upload must be not in English, in Russian language. And if you haven't finished yet, you can upload your last. If you haven't finished your previous degree, you can apply, but you must upload the last academic results you obtained. For the optional documents, you have to upload a portfolio. They advise you, but it's good to upload it. It will make your profile more stronger and it will be better for you. So what should you have inside this? If you have any Russian or English test language, you have to upload it. Also, if you have a medical certificate, this one, if you have a medical condition, also it's a must to upload it. So, and it also need to be translated into Russian. HIV, AIDS screening tests, also they must be translated and you can upload them. It's optional. If you don't want to upload it, it's okay. But for PhD applicants only, they must upload a brief of their thesis. So it's gonna be 1 or 2 pages. So this one is a must. For PhD applicants, we say it's a must because it is important to upload it. It will enhance your opportunity. Also, if you have any documents about the achievements, also we prefer to upload it. Letter of recommendations from the university, from people that you work with, if you have any awards, if you won any contests, anything, if you participated in the Olympiads, if you have any publications about study or anything, even if you volunteered in any organization, also upload it. And also if you have any social activity and you can activities within your community and you can provide a paper to show this participation or achievement. So this is how to apply for this scholarship. So as you can see here, you can check the general information, how to apply, you can find everything. And as we mentioned earlier, you can find the contacts either down there or you can find it here. Contacts, you can press on it and you can see the coordinator, you can contact it using the email or mobile or WhatsApp. So and for the application, if you have any questions, you can send them on their email. And please subscribe and share this video for the benefits of you and other students.